Access Exam, Chapter 2. Open the Guide Contact Query in Design View. Highlight Experience, Column, and delete. Run. Save. Alright. Create a new query in Design View based on the Guides table. Guides table. Create. Query Design. There we go. Alright. Now we're going to base it on the Guides table. Close. Now, pull this down where you can see everything. Then we're going to add a guide ID, and we're going to do it in this order. Guide ID, first name, last name, years experience. Okay. Add an ascending order to the years of experience fields. Down here, years experience, sort, ascending order. Save the query. Right click, save. We're going to name it Guide Experience Query. Going to run. There. Exit. We're saved. Alright. Create a new parameter query in Design View based on Guides table with the following options. So if it's a Guides table, create, query design. We're going to use Guides table again. Add, close. Okay, we're going to add first name, last name, phone number, and address. So I'm double clicking on each one of these, and postal state and postal code. Add the criterion under interstate. Okay, we're going to bracket ENTER state STATE bracket. Save the query as state guide query. Run. Enter ME. Enter. Okay. Exit. Now, create a new query in Design View based on the trips and guides table. So we'll go to Create, Query Design. We want the guides table, or the trips, guides. Close. Open these where you can both see everything. So we're going to add the trip name from the trips table. Okay. And add first name, last name, phone number from the guides table. In that order. Save the query as guide assignment assignments query. Hit OK. Run. There we go. Save and close. Create a cross-tab query based on the trips table. Highlight trips, create, query wizard, cross-tab, hit OK. Use only data from the trips table in the query. Okay, trips table. So highlight trips table and hit next. Use the state field for the row headings. So get which fields value do you want as row headings? We're going to use a state. Hit next. Which field values do you want as column headings? Column headings is we're going to use season. Hit next. Use count, and we're going to use of the trip ID. Okay. As a calculated value for each row and column intersection, include row sums in the crosstab query. And yes, include row sums. Next. Name it state dash season crosstab. Save the query with this. Okay, view the query and close it. All right, open the 8-person trips query. 8-person trips query in design view. Modify the query to show the only records where the group size field is equal to 8. Group size 8. Now, don't do anything else. Don't hit enter. Run the query. Right click, save, and exit. Open the beginner NH trips query. Okay, I'm going to open it in design view. Add the criterion to select only those records where the state field is equal to NH. So go over to the state field, NH, enter, and then under the level field, we're going to is equal to easy. Okay. All right. Now we're going to save. See, run it, exit, save. Open the challenging trips query in design view. Hide the level field in the query. So go to level. So we did uncheck this mark here. Then save it and close it. Open the early season query in design view and add a criterion to select only those records where the season field is equal to spring, season, S-P-R-I-N-G, or summer. Run the query and save it. Okay. Open the main trips query in design view. Modify the query to sort the records in ascending order by trip name. So trip name, ascending order. And the start location field. See. Modify the query to sort the records in ascending order by the trip name field and the start locations field. Run it. Exit. Save. Open the short trips query in design view and add the criteria to select only those records where the value in the distance field is less than 7. So we're going to do, see, distance field is less than 7. Run. As you can see, everything's under 7. Exit. Save. Open the trips by query type, trips by type query in design view. Open the trip. Okay. For the field type, so we're going to field type. Let's see here. Open the trips by type query in design view and modify it by adding totals. Okay, we're going to totals. I'm going to group by group by. For the trip name field, we'll use count. Run it. Exit. Save. Open the C trips query in design view. All right. Now, this is a SQL view. So to get out of this view, we go to View, Design View. And then add the C wildcard, C asterisk wildcard criteria to the trip name field. So we got trip name, C star, enter. All right, and then we're going to run it and exit, save. All right, now use the form button. Use the form button to create a simple, okay, we're going to do the challenging trips query. Challenging trips query, create. Use the form button to create a simple form based on the challenging trips queries. Save, okay. Form, there we go. And now we're going to save it as challenging trips form. That's it. Okay. Create a new report based on the all trips query. All trips query. Create report. Include all fields. Okay, we're going to use the trip wizard instead. Okay, all trips query. Create report design. Nope, that's not it either. All right. All trips query, create report wizard. There we go. All right. Create a new report. Okay. Include all fields from the all trips query. So okay. Highlight all 3 of those. Just make sure all 3 of those are over here. Hit next. Okay. The report will automatically group by state field. Okay. So our group by state. So we're gonna hit next. Use no additional sorting. So hit next. We use stepped and portrait and hit next. And set the title of the report to all trips report. Okay. Preview the report or modify report's design. So, okay, hit finish. There it is. Okay. This one is now complete. Save it. Remember, even though the instructions say to name this reports preview, leave off the preview because it'll mark it wrong if you don't. So this is the end of Access Exam Chapter 2. Rename, upload, and submit. Thank you.